How many liters of wine can be held in a wine barrel whose capacity is 31 gallons? So, A, 31 gallons convert to liters. So we go 31 gallons, and the conversion is liters, gallons. What is the conversion? In 1 gallon, there are 3.785 liters. 3.785 liters. So gallon cancels, and the answer should be 120 liters. 2 sig figs, 2 significant digits. Part B. The recommended adult dose of that drug is 6 milligrams per kilogram. 6 milligrams per kilogram. And we want the dose in milligrams per pound. Yep. Okay, so 6 milligrams per kilogram times in 1 kilogram there are 2.2 pounds, so that gets rid of the kilograms, so that there is 2.73 milligrams per pound. So that is the dose in milligrams per pound. But how heavy is the patient? The patient is 150 pounds, so we have to multiply that by 150 times 150 pounds. That is the weight of the person, and that gives you 409.5 milligrams of the drug for the 150 pound person. Okay, so we are starting with 1 significant digit, and we have here 4 significant digits. So we have to adjust that to 1 significant digit. So that there equates to 400 milligrams. So if you are a nurse or if you are a health provider, you would give 400 milligrams to the 150 pound patient. Okay. C. If a car is able to travel 254 miles on 11.2 gallons of gas, what is the gas mileage in kilometers per liter? In other words, we need to convert 254 miles per 11.2 gallons to kilometers per liter. Okay. So let's do this step by step. So it's 2.54 miles per 11.2 gallons. And we want miles to kilometers. So kilometers there, miles there. And what is the conversion? Miles to kilometer, there are 1.6 kilometers in 1 mile. So miles go away. Now we are now in kilometers, and now we need to convert gallons to liters. So we want gallons there, we want liters there. What is the conversion? In 1 gallon there are 3.79 liters. 3.79 liters. So gallon cancels, and we are now in liters in the denominator. So if you do the math, you should get that should be 254, not 254. So 254 times 1.6 divided by 11.2 divided by 3.79. And I am getting 9.57 kilometers per liter. So 3 sig figs, therefore that would be correct. And lastly, a pound of beans yields 50 cups of coffee. So 1 pound yields 50 cups. How many milliliters of coffee can be obtained from 1 gram of coffee beans? In other words, we need to convert a pound per 50 cups to grams per milliliters. So that will be our conversion. Okay, so let's do this. So 1 pound per 50 cups times there are 454 grams to a pound, so pound cancels. What is the conversion between cups and milliliters? So there is a conversion from cups to quart. So we go from cups to quart and then quarts to liters. So in 1 quart there are 4 cups. Cups should be the numerator because we want to get rid of cups. So there are 4 cups in 1 quart. So cups cancel. We are now in quart as far as the denominator goes. And finally, we convert quarts to milliliters. And what is the conversion? The conversion is there are 3.79 liters in a quart times 1 quart is no, that doesn't make sense. In 1 quart, in 1 liter there is 1.06 quarts. Okay, so there are 1.06 quarts in 1 liter. But we don't want liter as our denominator. We want milliliters. So times in 1 liter there are 1,000 ml. So quart cancels, liter cancels, and in the denominator we are left with ml, and the numerator we are left with grams. So we are now grams per ml. So if you do that, you're going to get 0.038 grams per ml. 50, 1 sig fig, 1 pound, 1 sig fig. So that should be 0.04 grams per ml. That's the correct answer.